land clearing and weed removal, Agri Supply has all the rotary mowers and parts you need. Agri Supply is a proud supplier of Grizzly rotary mowers, from 5-foot to 12-foot models. Grizzly mowers are field tested, built to last, and made in America. Grizzly 5- and 6-foot cutters are designed for applications such as weeds, grass, and brush up to 2.5 inches in diameter. Their round back design offers better maneuverability when moving around obstacles or turning corners. And Agri Supply stocks all the parts you need to maintain your mower. Let the knowledgeable staff at Agri Supply help you find exactly what you need for any job. Get a lot more at your local Agri Supply, stocking more than 26,000 items every single day that help you keep your operations running at peak efficiency. Visit Agri Supply at one of their 9 locations or shop online.